we're out here today in Grand Cayman, as you can see. Yep, it's a man, Holy Fire 777, back at it again. So it's a Saturday and it's Cayman Carnival, or Cayman Batabano, that's how they call it. Batabano, that's what they say. So the streets are being cordoned off or blocked, and people out here, a lot of people out here, tuning in and waiting. So let me turn on the camera, you see. So yeah, so people up on the road waiting. Yep. People park up and wait for them with them alcohol and with them whole family. See, police and block the street down there, so. Right down there, police and block the street. Yeah. Yeah. Monitoring traffic, police monitoring the traffic. Yep, so people them out here waiting and the floats to pass in, so your man Holy Fire 777 out here to give you some footage of what go on. Big up yourself, brother. Yep. So we're out here, so just stay tuned. You know what I say? One fire, Holy Fire. Yes, peeps. Everybody anticipating the arrival of the floats. Normally they would come from that side and go to 7 Mile Beach and thing, but they are coming from that side this year. Yep, they're coming from that side. So people been here a long time waiting now, because it's almost, what time now? It's 4:30 now, and normally they would pass, they used to pass earlier. So don't know why the delay this year. But you can see up there, a lot of people. The streets are crowded, a lot of people park, waiting, anticipating. Yeah, the float coming all the way up from all the way up the road there. You can see up there. Yeah.
What's wrong with it? I just said it looked nice.
Yeah. You're coming from all the way up the road there. Yeah, so, you know it's a float and them dancing and things, so them taking a while to reach. So we're just gonna wait right here, because actually I'm not into the walking with them still, so I'm just waiting on them. Yeah, so I guess no more traffic coming from down the road, traffic just going down. Yeah, people everywhere waiting, anticipating. Yeah. Yep. So as I say, just stay tuned, stick and stay with me. I'm showing now what I go on this Saturday evening here. Yep. Yep, so a bunch of riders coming, the youths. They are riding in front of the parade. Yeah. No, I'm not lying. Yep. Yeah. The youth here, they're very skillful too. Yep. Oh. Yeah. So they're almost here now. See truck all the way up the road there. Truck there all the way up there. Police in front escorting them. It's about a mile away. Yep. Police there, very fast. Police look up in the camera. Yeah, they have a lot of police with them, you know. Have to maintain order on the road. Yep. So right about now, traffic just going all the way only down the road for now. The traffic soon completely cut off from this side. Yep. floats are coming. Yep. So just stay tuned, stick and stay with me. And see what I go on it. Yeah. So this is what happened in Cayman, Grand Cayman. Yeah. It's Carnival, what they call it, Batabano. Yep. So all night tonight till about 1 o'clock. They're gonna be in the center of the town in Georgetown. Yep. So, as I say, just stay tuned. Go on, watch what I go on. So yes, peeps, here they come now. They're pretty close now. Yeah, they're here now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bonfire, hold the fire. Yep. Follow me on Instagram. Support the movement. Yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Yep. So everybody joining in now. Crowd coming in now from down the road. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yeah, so more people up the road, and you should know that too. I don't know why you want to go up the road. Yep, so that is it. Yes, peeps. So this is Batabano, Grand Cayman, and the Cayman Islands. Yeah. Yeah. That's who they say this is now. This is who? Misty in Cayman Islands. Okay. So yes, people are not going to hear all of it because copyright music, so I'm going to cut out some of the music in the long run. So just stick and stay with me. Yeah, and this year Jamaica, isn't it also? This every year whenever I have a Jamaicans participate in it, so this year they have Jamaicans participate. So they have a Jamaican float. So just stick and stay. Yep, and watch how I go. Yeah.
If you are here with your friends,
Yes, people, so different float again, different float. Yeah, I was helping a lady, so I wasn't getting into video some of the stuff that was happening. Yeah. Oh, this is have something to do with some pirate. Oh, so that's a mermaid. Oh, I see. Yeah, so these are the Indians. I've never seen the Indians in Batabano. Yeah. There's a large Indian community in Cayman. There's people, and from here the music, you know, you don't have to ask who they are. You know they are Jamaicans. And when we're Jamaican over the world, we stand out. Look at the Jamaican group, our big days. Just the Jamaicans. That's the Jamaicans. straight until tonight. Yep. So long way in traffic now. Yep. So everybody gonna be heading into that. So the crowd here. Yes, peeps, that's it for Batabano for today. Yeah, I'm just showing you what's happening in Cayman. I don't really go to Carnival or anything like that. I'm just standing on the roadside and videoing. Yeah, so feel like critics. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Support the movement. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, on Facebook. Wall Fire 777. Yep. So let me say support the movement. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Yes, people. Tell a friend to tell a friend. As me say, support the thing, man. Support the thing. Watch. And watch the video them, please like the video them. When you like the video them, yes, they help my channel to grow when you like it. Spread more. Yeah. So thanks for watching. To reach this far, bless up, peace. Love what you do what you love, and do it to your best of your ability. One fire, holy fire. Peace out.